Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my first aid box. The purpose of me showing you this is that you should be able to get yours if you have not, and if you have, you should be able to know the basic things inside a first aid. Now, first aid box differs in terms of purposes. Now, for home, you can have the basic. For your workplace, you have to look at the emergencies that might occur and get the medical supplies for your first aid. For your churches and for your mosques and any other event centers, you also have to look at the medical supplies and the emergencies that might occur there so that you can get your supplies ready for use. Okay, now this is my first aid box. Soon I'm going to show you everything inside my first aid box. So let me just open it for you guys to see. I'm going to remove everything from this first aid on the table for you so that you can see. So this is it. I don't want to slant it too much so that they don't fall out. This is my first aid box. These are the things. It's quite small, but it can do the job. All right. It's important that everybody at home have access to a first aid box. Right about now, I'll be opening my first aid kit. So let's go over to the table. This is your glove. You put them on when you want to attend to any case that requires a first aid. Okay, it prevents and controls the spread of diseases. Same with your face mask. You put them on your face, on your nose especially, to prevent droplets and every other infectious agent from getting in contact with your airway or the external environment. And this is your gauze. Your gauze, this is the front and this is the back. It is used to prevent blood loss, to control blood loss. Okay, I did a video on that. You can check it out. Same for this is also a gauze, a sterile gauze. Now this is a splint. It is a formable splint. As you can see, the illustration on how to use it are there. All right, so you can add it to your first aid collection. Okay, for me, I have it on my. This is your glucose powder. It can be given in case of hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar. It's given by mouth, that is orally. This is your space blanket. It's more like you use it to prevent heat loss and also cover or improvise to your usage. All right. This is your triangular bandage. Okay, you use it for splinting of the arm especially. You can also use it for other purposes. This is your plaster, okay, of different size. This scissors is here in case you want to cut anything, including your plaster. These are different size of plaster mark. Okay. Now this is a roller bandage. You can also call them Crepe bandage of different size. This is your face sheet for resuscitation. When you are doing CPRO and you want to breathe into the person's mouth, this is a barrier that you can use to prevent infection. This is alcohol swab. Okay, this is alcohol swab. Now, in your first aid, you should have pain meds, pain medication. This is one of them, ibuprofen. You can also have a paracetamol for children and to control temperature also. Now, this is a Glucometer. The strips are inside here. It's not necessary that you have a glucometer in your first aid, but if you are a diabetic patient, it is very important that you have. These are the strips inside. Okay, and this is your glucometer. It is used to measure the sugar level in the blood. All right, and if you also managing high blood pressure or low blood pressure, it's not necessary you have it, but sometimes, depending on your condition, you might want to have a stethoscope. This is a stethoscope, okay, and it's used for auscultation. And this is a BP measuring apparatus, okay. It's used to measure the BP, so you can use both to measure the BP. And this is my first aid box, okay. It's very small. So you can see that it can contain most of these basic things I need. And finally, my music box, if you're a music lover like me. Right. The things you can find in a first aid box differs from place to place. So there might be slight variation from what you are seeing here, but the standard still remains the same. Just minor things or basic medical supplies that you can use for a first aid, then you're good to go. Now remember, on your first aid box or in your first aid box, always stock and check for expiring dates. And remember, anything you take from them, you should replace immediately. Sometimes you might forget, and when there's another emergency, and you bring your first aid box there, you find out that there's no medical supply. So you see that the purpose of having a first aid kit has been defeated. So always remember to restock your first aid box and check for expiration of your supplies, especially for drugs. Guys, the things that was not in the video I showed you also include your antiseptic solution and thermometer. You see, I told you to always restock. I took that thermometer out and I did not replace it. That's why I forgot to add it to this video. So always remember to restock your first aid box. Now, if you're wondering how to get a first aid kit, or you want a first aid box for yourself, or you want a first aid training, I'll leave a link on your screen right now. Please click on it and you will be redirected to where you can get all these things that you require. So guys, I've showed you the different medical supplies you can find in a first aid box. So if you want me to make a video illustrating any of these medical supply, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll make it for you. No big deal. Saving life is everybody's business. Thanks for watching.